No.
National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Tualatin County in northern Utah until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:26 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Utah Test and Training Range South, or 32 miles southeast of Wendover, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Utah Test and Training Range South and Dugway Proving Ground Test Range. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Tooele, Utah,